Hello children, very good morning ma. I am your Navya teacher. Yesterday we discussed about numbers. What is our new chapter ma? Numbers. What is our new chapter? Numbers. N-U-M-B-R-S. Numbers. What is our chapter? Numbers. Okay, today we are learn about how to count by tenses. Okay, how to count by tenses we should discuss. Okay, open the page number 25 ma. Take out your maths textbook. Open page number 25. 25. Take out your math textbook. Open the page number 25. Okay. For example, you see ma, we have so many boxes here. So many boxes here. How should we count? How should we count these boxes? Tell me ma. For example, you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Like this we have to count. For example, if you divided these box as tenses. Tenses means we see. What is the tenses? We divided these box into a bundle. Tenses bundle. We divided these boxes, these 13 box as a tenses bundle. For example, you see 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many boxes ma? 10 boxes. So, these are the 10 boxes. How many tenses? 10. How many ones ma? 10 ones. 10 ones are there. How many boxes are there? 10 ones. 10 ones means 10 boxes are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it is easy to count, to divide these boxes into tenses. These boxes into tenses means is there 10 boxes are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are the 10 boxes. 10 boxes means 10 ones. 10 boxes means 10 ones. Okay. Remaining 4 boxes are here. So 4 ones, 10 ones and 4 ones. Here 10 ones means 1, 10. How many tens are? How many tens ma? Here only 10 boxes are there. 10 box. 10 box means 1, 10. 10 boxes means 1, 10. Here you see. Tenses means 1, 10. Tenses means 1, 10. Here 10 boxes are there. 10 boxes means here 1, 10 ones. 10 ones means 1, 10. It is easy to separate. It is easy to count by separating these boxes into tenses. It is easy to count. It is easy to count. Here you see ma, page number 25 you see. Here he gives 10 balls. How many balls ma? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many balls? Here 10 balls. 10 balls means 10 balls equal to how many tenses? 110. How many tenses ma? 110. 10 balls equal to 110. So here 110 of balls. Next one you see. How many books are there? Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many books are there ma? 10 books. 10 books means tenses means 110. How many tenses? 110. 110. Next one you see 110 of logs. How many logs here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many logs are here? 10 logs. 10 logs means that equal to 1, 10. That equal to 1, 10. Next one you see ma? Page number 26 you see. Open the page number 26. Page number 26 you have to open, okay? Page number 26. We already discussed about single digit numbers. Now what are single digit numbers? Tell me. What are single digit numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are the single digit numbers. It has only one digit. So these are called one digit number or single digit numbers. Single digit numbers. Okay. Next one you see ma. Here he gives 34 logs. These are the wooden logs. Okay, you see, these are the wood logs. See, how many logs are here? He gives 34 logs. How many logs, ma? 3, 4, 34. 3, 4, 34. How should we say this is 34? Shall we count? Okay, you see, first one you see, here they are separated. They are separated as 10, 10. Okay, we see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like this they are separated. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4, 7, 10. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many are there? There are 30. 30 means I am separating these one ma. Separating into tenses. Separating into tenses. First one you see how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many tens? 10 ones. 10 ones means how many tens? 1 tens. Okay. Next one you see how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 ones. 10 ones means 1 tens. Next one you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 ones. That means 1 tens. Shall we count these? 1 tens plus 1 tens and 1 tens. How many are there? 3 tens total. 3 tens. Totally 3 tens here. 10 ones. 10 ones means 1 10. Here also 10 ones means 1 tens. Next one you see 10 ones means 1 tens. So 1 plus 1 plus 1. So how many ma? 3 tens. 3 tens. And next one you see. And 4 logs are also there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the 4 ones. How many are there ma? 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the 4 ones. 3 tens plus 4 ones. Totally 34 logs are there. 34 means this is in 3 tens and 4 ones. How many logs are there ma? 3 tens and 4 ones. These are the double digit. How many digits are there ma? 2 digits are there. These are the 2 digits. It has 34 has 2 digits. So these are the 2 digit number. What are 1 digit numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9. These are the single digit. It has only 1 digit. And these are the 2. 34 is a double digit. Double digit means 2 digits have. So 3 and 4. These are the 2 digits. So these are called 2 digits number. 2 digits number. And left side number is called 1 tenses ma. Left side number is called tenses. Okay. And this one is ones. This is a tens and the place is 3 is tenses and next one 4 is ones. 4 place is 1. Okay, you see here you see ma. Places and value. What is the place value? This is 3 and next one is 4. Okay, so tenses. This called 3 is called tenses and next one 4 is called ones. 3 is called tenses and 4 is called ones. Okay, next one you see ma. Here he give abacus counting ma. Here he give abacus counting. Let's see what is abacus counting. How should we count the 2 digit numbers we see. Okay. Let us learn about abacus counting. Okay. What is the topic name? Abacus counting. ABACUS abacus. COUNT count. ING abacus counting. Here you see ma picture you see. Here he give figure A and B, you see. First one you see. In this abacus counting, we should learn about how should we count about 2-digit numbers. How should we count about 2-digit numbers by using abacus. By using abacus, let us learn about abacus counting, ma. First picture figure A, you see. This is the tens and this is the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So abacus has spike. This is the spike, ma. This is a spike, and these are the beads. These are the beads. B-E-A-D-S, beads. This is called spike, and this is called. These are called beads. So the spike, one spike has only 9 beads. The spike has only 9 beads. 9 beads. 9 means a single digit number, no. So spike has only 9 beads. Spike has only 9 beads. Let us learn about abacus counting, okay. Here you see, ma, 1 shows the number 1. We show a digit in the ones place with a blue bead. See figure A. Here you see the figure A, ma. Figure A, you see. Figure A. Figure A means. Figure A, you see. Here he gives a figure A. We show a digit in the ones place with a blue bead. Here 0 means it's a ones place. This is the ones place, and this is the tens place. Okay, this is the ones place and this is the tens place. 9 blue beads show in the ones place. Here you see he gives a 9 beads. These are the beads, no ma. So he gives a 9 beads. How many beads are there? 9 beads in the ones place. How many beads? 9 beads in the ones place. Each spike has an abacus. Okay, here you see. Each spike, this is a spike, and each spike has 9 beads. In this abacus, each spike has 9 beads. How many beads are there in abacus, ma? Each spike has 9 beads. Each spike has how many beads? How many beads, ma? Tell me. Each spike has 9 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry, ma. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 9. So how many beads are there? 9 beads. Abacus has a spike. A spike has 9 beads. And next one you see, ma. See figure B. To show the number 10, we remove all the blue beads. For example, if you want to show the 10 number, we remove the all beads and create one green bead. So this is the tens place. Okay, this is the tens place. Like that we have to show. Okay. Next one you see, ma. Let us show the number of 34. We want to show the number 34 by using abacus. How can we show the number 34? Let's see. Okay. Here you see. This is the tens place. Left side is the tens place. Where is your left hand? This is no. Yes, left hand side tenses and right hand side oneses. Okay, we want to show the 34 number by using abacus. Okay, okay, this is the 34 number. We want to show the 34 number. Here you see, ma. We put green beads. These are the green beads. Okay, these are the green beads in the tenses place. 3 green beads. How many tenses in 34? 3 tens, no ma. How many tenses in 34? 3 tens are there. So we want to express 3 tens. 3 tens means we want to draw the 3 green beads. We want to draw the 3 green beads in the tenses place. This is the tenses and this is the ones. This is the tens place and this is the left hand side tenses and right hand side oneses. So we want to show the 3 green beads. 3 green beads in the left hand side in the tens place. Okay. How many oneses are there? 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many oneses, ma? 4 oneses. So this is the 34. 3 4 34. 1 2 3. 3. We should draw the 3 green beads in the tenses place and 4 beads are in the ones place. So this is the 34. Okay. Next one you see ma. Let us learn about 46. How should we show the 46? How should we show 46? By using abacus counting. How should we show 46? Try in your rough book ma. Try in your rough book. How should we show 46? 46. By abacus counting. How should we show 46? First we draw the line. And next one, left hand side tenses and right hand side oneses. Okay, right hand side oneses. Always we take left hand side tenses and right hand side oneses. Okay. Next we draw the spike. This is the spike. And next one, how many tenses are there? How many tenses ma? Left hand side tenses. So 4 tenses are there. And next one, right hand side oneses. So 6 ones are there. Tenses means how many tenses? 4. So we should draw the 4 tenses. 3 4. 1 2 3 4. So we draw the 4 beads. 1 2 3 4. So we draw the 4 beads in the left hand side in the tens place. Okay. Next one you see how many ones are there? 6 ones. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So how many ones is ma? How many ones? Tell me. 6. So we have to draw the 6 beads in the ones place. 6 beads in the ones place. So this is a abacus process. Okay. So we draw the 4 beads in the tens places. 4 ones are there no ma. So we have to draw the 4 beads. 4 beads in the tens place. And next one we have to draw the 6 beads in the ones place. Okay. Next one you see 99. How should we show 99? Third one 99. How should we show 99? By using abacus we should draw the line. And next one left hand side tenses and this is the oneses. Okay. First one we draw the spike. This is the spike. And next one, how many ones we divided? How many tenses are there? 9 tenses. Left hand side tenses, right hand side oneses. Okay. How many tenses are there? 9. So we should draw the 9 beads. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So how many beads are there ma? 9. We have to draw the 9 beads in a tenses place. This is the tenses place now. So we have to draw the 9 beads in a tenses place. How many ones are there? 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So how should we draw the where should we draw the 9 ones? In a ones places. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So we have to draw the 9 beads in a ones places. So totally 99. Okay, we should draw the 9 beads in 9 tenses place and 9 beads in a ones place. So totally 99. Okay. I am giving you homework ma. Do in your homework notebook. Okay. By using abacus. Copy in your homework notebook and do in your homework notebook. Okay. First one 86. Second one 36. Third one 52. Fourth one 45. Fifth one 63. You have to do this one ma by using abacus. Okay. Do in your homework notebook. 86, 36, 52, 45, 63. Like this you have to do. First you have to draw the line and you have to draw the spike and you have to draw the beads. Okay. Do this 5 in your homework notebook. Okay, tomorrow I will meet you children. Bye ma.